Alright, everybody. Welcome to the breaks, keeping it real. We're going to be here breaking a 2-boxer 2016 Bowman Drive Jumbo. I'm just getting my gloves on before I start pointing on the screen, so give me 1 second, please. And then I got to grab my candy here. Oh, it's on the side here. We're good then. Because I know some of the chrome comes out a little bit with some particles on every now and then, so we don't get scratches on it going in the cases. Alrighty, here to the left side of the screen, we got the names and the teams that everybody's lined up with. The blue was just a combo team, nothing big. It was just for me to know. Down here, we got current date and time. Right there, we got the big old horn buzzer. Up to the top here, we got a top camera view coming down. Alright, guys, if the stream starts getting shaky on my end, I'll try to attempt to fix it. If I can't, I'll continue streaming, post a live video right at the end so there's no break in the stream. If I have lost of power for some reason, there's nothing I can do there. I'll just have to come back up when I can onto it all. Alright, everybody, thank you for the quick payments today. And let's get to what we came here for. Let's break some Bowman Draft. I love this stuff from last year. Put this off to the side here. Anybody hears any kind of crazy noise? It's the dog underneath me. She's over here chowing down on a pig ear underneath me. Hopefully she brings her. Oh, we got a box topper. Bam! I'll put it in the back. We'll open up at the end. Oh, nice. We got a box topper to start this off. If I do recall right, not all of these had box toppers in them. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me look at this because I can't remember now. No, I don't think they all did. Craziness. I do have the cases for it, but there's just no sleeves, just so everybody's tracking. Alright, we'll go pack by pack with this. I'm not reading the paper base, but I'll have it up here on the screen so you guys can see. For you guys that wanted the paper base, it will be sent out. You guys didn't, it won't. But I am going to separate it for the time being. Alright, here comes your guys' chromes. It's been a minute since I've done this, so I gotta look at them kind of crazy for a minute. I didn't know Francisco Mejia was in this. No idea. I didn't even know that. Oh, we're starting off with color. We're starting off with color for the Houston Astros. Purple. Ronnie Dawson. Astros owner is Austin. There you go. I'm just looking to see if there's any debris onto it. I don't think there is. Alright, let me get her cased up. Get her all cased up. That's why I like starting with some color right off the bat. Sleeve just does not look right. And these are going into grading sleeves in case anybody wants to grade ever. Just make it easier for not to be nicked up. Man, wouldn't it be something if we got like the all purple case? I've seen it before, only once. Alrighty here. Finishing off the chrome. Get my thing back. That's why I have a top camera so I can do stuff like that. Wilson Braves. And we got a bunch of paper again. Actually, I'm not going to read off all the paper in the chrome. We'll be here for hours on 2 boxes. I'll show them though so you guys can see it. If you guys need me to go back to one, just holler in the chat. I shall. Pack 2. It's kind of cool because a lot of these names I haven't seen for such a long time. And here we go. Starting with chrome. Gleyber Torres. Oh, we got some blue coming up. For the Blue Jays. Okay, it is John Harris. I want to make sure I was reading the name right. John Harris Blue. I thought these were numbered for some reason. Well, aqua, I should say. But once I broke it, I know some people wanted it, and I found 2 boxes of it, so I was like, alright. Let's do her up. And then Tom will be on after me. I know he's got some breaks coming down tonight. I'll be back tomorrow bright and early for everybody. We'll do some other stuff. Then Gypsy Queen on Wednesday. Make sure it wasn't numbered for you. If I see any of the names that I know, I'll holler at you guys. Well, you guys can see. I'm just making sure none of the paper base. If we do pull a 101, where I stuck the baseball at now. Huh. Oh, it's behind me over there on the other table. Okay. I was like, wait a minute, I just had a baseball up here. If we hit a 101, whether it's a printing plate, which I don't know if they have them in this, but any 101, random baseball off to the group. One person will get it. We're going to start up pack 3. Should have no autos net left on this little stack. We got here blue paper for the Angels, Nolan Williams. Out of 150, Nolan Williams going out to the Angels. And I do, because it's a Bowman product, and you could say that I am very, very partial to it. I do put all that stuff in cases, all the paper. Any color goes in. Uh-oh. What do you got here? Gold for the Oakland A's. Jeremy Logan Shore, first Bowman. And that'll be out of 50. Try and get it up here so you can see it without the glare into your eyes. Go like that. There you guys go. I had to get another. I usually take the one bulb out, but it was just so dark in here. I had to put the other bulb back in, so it gives a little bit extra glare now. Might mess a little bit with the camera. Alright, here. Nothing. We got more paper. Paper. You know, so a guy at work brought in all these Desert Storm cards from, like, I think it was 91 Tops. He's telling me a story about them. Now, there's nobody good except for Ricky Henderson, so I'll just stop with my story. Not stop, but just say it off the bat. And he was telling me how these guys used to get them in packs out there, and they would burn them to stay warm. That's why you don't see a whole lot of that stuff. And the ones he had about 170, 180, and they were all base. Well, there's some of them are dinged up. I don't think anything can get over an 8 for PSA. Yeah, here. Dave Dunning, not numbered. Okay. Been like a year and some change since I did these. I always found it easier going pack by pack, just for the sorting purposes of it. Alrighty, here, paper. There's that man, Bo Bichette, paper. Leba, Crook, Bowers, Rogers, Kingery, Hart, McKinney, Funkhauser. I forgot about him. Crazy names here. Never forget the first case I opened this stuff. I was like through, I don't even know, probably like the first 6, 8 packs. I'm like, man, we haven't had an auto yet. And I hit that stack of black autos. I was like, holy cow. Stuff was nice. And I remember Moniak being one of them in there. Speaking, out of $4.99 black for the Indians, Bobby Bradley. Yeah, I figured out why my computer was doing that earlier. Something in my background started kicking in and running. I don't know if it was an update or what. I got to figure that out. I figured I have a quad core, whatever that means, they had me get, and freaking started going high CPU usage with that Windows 10. Here we go. For the Padres, we got Buddy Reed. Good old Buddy. I forgot about him. Oh, let me get it back in the focus there somewhere. There you guys go. What's up, Drew? Padres owner Austin. Austin had both autographs, so 2 of the autographs already. Holy cow. Come on, 101. I want to give a baseball away today. Oh, not in there. Be kind of cool to pull a super tonight. Stuff's starting to get scarce to find. There's Buddy Reed right on top. He's like, hey guys, just got my auto. Alright, now we got our chrome coming. I'm trying to get to where the light ain't killing it here. Maybe if I go more in an angle. There you guys go. Right there. So make sure Cal ain't numbered. I remember the gold got me last year on one of them. That's all paper. Get some more color here. Kind of curious who our box topper is. Now, whoever had a box topper, it's going to come in a box, just so you know. And whether it's autoed or not, it's going out. Hey, look, Reese Hoskins. Forgot about him being in it. It just shows you, you start looking at this, you're like, man, I forgot about half these dudes. So used to boasting 2017 stuff. Bradley, Webb, Newman, Buddy again. Buddy just coming every which way. Oh, you got color. It's not numbered, the aqua bluish. For the Mariners, Nick Neidert. Good old Nick. I don't think he's ever been called up yet. Out of here. And we got a bunch of paper. I still get we got a box topper. I think that's only the. It might be the first I got, maybe second out of this. All right, paper ends there. I'm going to turn it just a tad, just so the names come up a little bit better. Get the camera back on her. There we go. So shiny, this stuff. Comes our auto. Boston Red Sox, C.J. Chatham. I'm trying to get to it doesn't glare in your eyes too bad with the name looking at it. Very, very nice. That's the refractor out of 499. 499. 499. So we got a purple out of the first one, a regular, and a refractor. Not bad. And black paper out of 499. Mark Ecker for the Tigers. I remember the first time I was opening this stuff and I pulled a red piece of paper and I thought it was garbage at first. And I realized it was out of like 5. And I'm like, oh yeah. Make sure we're not done. Okay. Sometimes it's just easier looking that way for refractors. Will Craig. Mahia. We got paper. And we add to our paper stack. Banda. Austin Meadows. That guy might be good for Pirates. Khalil Lee. Dominic Smith. A lot of names that you're starting to see now playing. Alright, I'm just going to double check these real quick, make sure I have no refractors. Sometimes my eyes miss them. But I think the only one was that auto. So far I'm right. Oh, I'm putting stuff on the side as I do this. We got a topper and a box left, guys. Hang in there. We got this. We're looking for a one-on-one. I want to go baseball way. That's what I was trying to do with the optic earlier, because optic usually gave one-on-ones. I mean, usually it was like 1 or 2 per case of stuff I've seen before. Alright, let me grab the paper out of the way so I don't knock her over. Let's take a look at what we got for a box topper here. I just found sleeves for these on Amazon. They won't get here, but they'll be here in time for Gypsy Queen. Ian Anderson out of 35. And I know it's going to be hard to see. I'm going to try to get it up there. Autoed for the Braves. Vinny. Vinny. There you go. Thing's huge. Out of 35 auto. So what happens is I put it in one of those 5x7 cases, and then I'll put cardboard on both sides, but it'll be shipped to you in a box, brother. There you go. Box topper. See if we can do it twice in a row. Wouldn't that be something? Ah, no topper. I think that might have been the first topper I pulled out of this stuff, though. I think the rest was all like Allen and Ginter and stuff. I could be wrong. I might have hit one, too, somewhere along the way. That's why I'm knowing it. That's nice, those toppers. There you go. Paper. That looked like a refract. Nope, okay. Just my eyes. Ian Happiness. Bo Jackson. Kyle Lewis. Man. Where's Vinny hiding at? Remember he said he was having issues on the streams earlier. What was Vinny with the Braves? I called off. Yeah, okay. I've done that wrong before. Got green paper for the Twins. Twins are Jeremy. Ben Rortvit. Out of 99. Is it just that shiny or is it me? No, it's that shiny. Okay, Bichette, Hader. Got for the Yankees, Tim Lynch green out of 99. First Bowman rookie. Since this is a small break, I'll recap all the stuff I case. Alright. Still looking for an auto. Oh, come on. No autos in this first stack, and we got a stack of black autos. That'd be awesome. Come on. Oh, whoa. Oh. Whew. I saw something funky there going on with all those in the middle. I thought that was chrome. I was getting myself all excited. Alright, McMahon, we know. Flaherty. Yep, Zach Collins. I was hoping it was autoed. Guys, if there ain't an auto in this bottom pack right here, they gave us somewhere in here a stack of black autos, and that's what we want to see. That is what we want. So if I remember right, they're all out of 75. Walker, nope. Okay, we got blue. Matt Manning for the Tigers. It's the blue wave-ish. Detroit Tigers. Austin on the combo. Is that on the card? Hold on, I gotta see something with my eyes. Yeah, he actually hit part of the ink up here. I thought it was like dust or something. I remember pulling a goal to him early, and they were all like all crazy over it. I'm just spraying some air onto it. And that'll be out of 150, Austin. Out of 150. You're killing on the autos. Thought we were going to go block attack pack here. Okay. Chrome. These are our paper. Come on, 101. Nope. Paperage. Chrome. There's a Moniac. Dylan Carson. For Tampa Bay, Mickey York. Purple first Bowman. Try and get so it doesn't shine in everybody's eyes here. Maybe this way a little bit. There we go. That's the way the light is. That's out of 250. For Tampa Bay, Vinny. Right here. Just the way it's shining. That's Justin Dunn Fantasy Impact. Come on, give me a super. Give me a super to pull. Alrighty. Good old Puck. Collins. There's Arroyo. Oh, our next auto going out to San Diego. Hudson Potts. I think we already had a San Diego one, didn't we? Austin. Austin, I think you've gotten every single auto. I'm almost positive of this. That's unheard of. No, there was a Boston. Who had Boston? Brett had one. All but one auto so far. Holy cow. Well, in the box topper, which is the Braves for Vinny. Still so nice. Let's get like a Bo Bichette. Moniac. Reese Hoskins for the Phillies. paper black out of 499. And also, with every break from now, I'm going to start calling a bounty on something until I give a baseball away. But we're not dead yet in this, but just something I want to do. Got here Puck. He was 6 overall. Did not know that. Torres. A lot of chrome. Batista, Sedlock, Bradley Zimmer, Rizzo, Thies, Corey Ray Fantasy Impact. It's kind of weird. We haven't had any chrome. Let me just look real quick like this. Usually you can pick them up pretty good. Is that chrome? Nope. Huh, kind of crazy. Or not a chrome, but a refractor, I'm sorry. Woo! Had one of them weeks. Trammell, Barreto. We got here blue. Flaherty for St. Louis. Jeremy. Goes out to Jeremy. Just trying to get back up here. It's just a glare. No kidding. There we go. Oh, here's Dunning. The other Dunning. That's what I call him, the other Dunning. On last auto, be big. They got Manning still sells pretty well. Alex Torres, black paper out of 499 for Baltimore. Baltimore is Vinny. Vinny with his extra large 5 or 4x6, I'm guessing that would be. Maybe a little bit bigger. Was that Ian Anderson? I believe it was. There's our last one. LA Dodgers, Jeremy. Will Smith. Not to be confused with the rapper / actor. Let's make sure it wasn't a refractor. Oh, give us a bonus here. Give us a bonus. Hurt. The paper still? Yep. Riley. There's Delvin Perez. Corey Ray. Lilac. There we go. Come on, 101. Paper. Ripken. Make sure she wasn't numbered. I tried for the 101, guys. I tried. Alright, let's go over to color real quick, and then we'll hit the autos for a recap. This is why I gotta hold this here. Alright, we got black paper for Baltimore, Torres. Blue, or aqua, however you want to call it, Flaherty for the Cardinals. Black paper Hoskins for the Phillies. Tampa Bay, purple out of 250, Mickey York. 90 out of 99. I can't remember which one, if this was green or not. Nope, this is regular chrome for the Yankees, Tim Lynch. The paper green, Ben Wardvit for the Twins. Detroit, Mark Ecker, black paper. Teal, aqua, Nick Nider for the Mariners. Black paper, Bobby Bradley for the Indians. A's out of 50, Logan Shore, gold. Blue, Nolan Williams for the Angels. Aqua, or light blue, however you guys want to say, John Harris for Blue Jays. I actually forget what the color is onto that. It might be teal. Alright, autos for LA, Will Smith. Oop, I'm a little too close, sorry. Let me go like, I'm trying to get to where I can not get too much of a glare onto, but I guess I'm not going to win. Hudson Potts for the Padres. Potts the refractor. And Potts was the refractor out of 499. Manning out of 150. Blue for the Tigers. Chatham for the Red Sox. And that was a refractor out of 499. Buddy Reed, Padres. And then Houston Astros, purple, Ronnie Dawson. And not to forget, we did get a box topper out of 35. Ian Anderson for the Braves. It's really nice. Be extra gentle when I put her in the case for you. Alright, everybody, I appreciate it. I'll get all this stuff worked on out in the groups or into sorted tonight. We'll get something else small up tomorrow, maybe some Topps Finest or Topps Chrome. And Topps Chrome, we'll look at maybe doing 17 stuff for everybody, because I got 2 boxes here of it. But I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. Like I said, I'll get this stuff sorted out here tonight and at least lined up, ready to go in packs for everybody in case you guys get anything else. And if not, it'll be shipped out Monday. Thank you, and I'll see you guys later.